The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pyniaid Sing Syiem, while speaking to reporters on the 6th of June 2023, informed that the Executive Committee of the Council has decided to offer scholarship to students and research scholars with an intention to encourage research on the community's culture and tradition, with special reference to traditional governance and clan-based information. Contributions and publications from such research work would enable the Khadc to formulate laws on safeguarding the minority tribes in the state of Meghalaya. Syiem also informed that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Khadc, had also been informed on this proposal and has agreed to render any possible help required by the Council in the future.
Kalian isi kan I scholarship, yaki students yaki kena pulih lani yaki research scholar kiban one syakmat but yakani in IT hai yam charge education ban select badan kam ki formalities badan pendap mentau benai ka jing thu jong kani ban khot yaki research scholar but ki students ki kena ban bangin ai kini ka scholarship kum ka by pulih yaki kalong halor bakin wat benya banle research hakabai dei bat ka jinglong jingman jong ka jat benriu jungi khamtam haka jing ruspa jong ka jat benriu hakabai dei bat kariti ka dustur ka jungi nidon ye kariti dustur sinshar khada nidon ye ki it ki hima ka ba usim kume ulong nong pek nong khmi nong sinshar bat ru ka don ka bisha nidon ye ki rai ba sodar bat ki bakrau ki pek ngidon ru ye kishnong bakirang ba shnong kiju senshar haka shnong kathau namta ka jing ba jing myat jing shnong ngidon ru ye kanika riti dustur ka bangi khenkur kenkha bangi don ye ka sengkur but kidon kini ki sengkur ki ba budget ki menteri bami khmat menteri te habaide bakani lingba kini ki research scholar ki ban wan chakmat ngin sa pentip yaki ngin I scholarship bakin wat benya kin puli benya yaka tenrai jong ka jinglong jingman la kalong ka sinshar hima sinshar shnong ba ka sinshar ra la ne da kalong ha ka bede baka kur ka jai ka jong yikun ki khasi tingi kwa ban tip janai ban tip benya bat ka kot research ko jongki onda kiladap bangi ngin laban pendenkam hakaba ngin pentrekam yeki kendon ai no care hagani council kaba baha menta teng ni poi ki khap ban shu an ksa ban jit menteri se ki ban mi khmat haki hima dan buntli ki kpo jong kata kakur kaba deban mi khmat te ka kpo kakam badai maka badai ban yo long menteri kpo biru kakam bat kum tatata te ban like ya kanu ka jing bomrenti hakasin syar khadar jungi council bangin like na ka jing shimrai bakla habide bakata te ngidon kam le se bandan da ki jing tho jing tar ki babe